Good morning, welcome back to another vlog. Today is Wednesday and Lane and I are about to head out do some shopping, but Matt started a crock pot meal for dinner tonight. It's been so cool and crisp out. Don't mind my messy kitchen. It's like a high of 59 degrees today, so we're doing a roast in the crock pot. It looks so yummy. You put all the carrots in, Matt?
Nope.
Not all the carrots?
A little more than half of the bag.
Nice. And we're also gonna do mashed potatoes with it tonight, so that's gonna be cooking all day long. It's only like 11 o'clock right now, and we're about to head out and do just a little bit of shopping. Sorry, I'm fixing the lighting. I think I got it the other way. We have a photo shoot in like 3 weeks, and I have no outfits for any of us, so I have to go find a dress for myself. I have to go find something for Lane. For Lane, I really want to get like overalls and a cute sweater under. So that's my plan for Lane. And then I have to find like a flannel or something for Matt too. So I have a lot of shopping I have to get done. And I have a feeling I'm not gonna find a dress for myself today, but I might have to take, it is the 4th of November. So it's only in a few weeks, and I really, like, I'm almost running out of time to order something online, so, unless it's like Amazon, but we ran to Target last night and I picked up this cute little set for Lane. It's like fleece material. It's so warm. I got this in a 6 to 9 months. And it was $12. So really affordable. I want a little fancier for the photo shoot though, Matt. But it's so cute. It has this little like faux pocket. Actually, it's a real pocket. I don't know what we could put a binky in there for him, but we're about to head out. I'm gonna put him in a seat now. And let's see him. He has his elephant outfit on today. He's so cute. You're so cute. I just want to squeeze you up. But here's his seat, Matt. If you want to put him in a seat for me. No, just pull that over. I ordered family matching pajamas off of Old Navy that got here over the weekend, and I showed you guys in the last vlog. And Matt actually is just a little. Oh, he's choking. Matt just came a little too big. I got an XXL for him just because I didn't know. Usually pants he likes a little bigger, but these were quite large. So I'm going to see if I could just exchange them for an XL. And that's that. So also, while we were at Tech over the weekend, we did a little shopping, but I didn't show you what I picked up. And I got some Christmas stuff because you can never have too much Christmas decor, right? So I got these fun little like garland bulbs. I feel like I could put them from either our banister or our mantle, or just like hang them somewhere fun. They're like really pretty, kind of antique looking. And I also got a little nutcracker. I really liked the color of this wood, so I picked this up. I have no nutcrackers. I just thought this was really cute. This was 10 bucks and these were 12. Really cute. And then I went to Hobby Lobby and grabbed some bells. So I'm gonna hang these bells somewhere. I think these are super cute, and I really love a good bell for Christmas. Loud. And then I got a little Christmas tree. I just thought this was cute, like wood Christmas tree, and it was like 4 bucks. So that's my little haul of stuff I got. I'm now gonna pack up all my things and we're gonna get on the road. That's helping me load the car up. Got all my pretty mums. It is so frigid out. So cold. We're in the car. It is frigidy in this car. It's so cold out. It says it's 49 degrees right now, and I have Lane all bundled up in his seat so he stays warm. We have a little tortilla blanket on him, and I'm gonna put my like butt warmers on, my hand warmers. First time this season. I'm so excited. I love the fall and like the start of winter, like Christmas time. Then once winter's here, I don't like it. So I love this like change of seasons though, and the leaves are changing. It's getting a little brisk out. You can wear sweaters and cozy sweatshirts and like just be cozy. But as soon as it's like winter, I don't like it anymore. It's just too cold for too long, and it's kind of like just not too fun. But we're gonna head out. I think I'm gonna hit like Altered State Francesca's even, because there's one right next door to like Altered State. Maybe South Moon Under, like a few stores like that, because they're all in the same shopping center. Anthropology, and then I don't know, like I would rather not spend a ton of money on a dress that I'm gonna wear just for a photo shoot, but I just don't know where to look anymore. I feel like everything I'm finding online is just not what I'm wanting, and then I don't know, so that's the struggle. But we have been sleeping like crap lately. I'm exhausted. He has been waking up. We have officially hit a regression. I guess it's his 4-month sleep regression, and it is serious. I don't know if it's because he's maybe feeling a little bit under the weather, or if it's him starting to teeth a little, or if it's straight up just a sleep regression. I have no idea. But whatever it is, it's rough. We were up at like 2 last night, and again at 4, and then at 5, and then I think he woke up for good at 7, and like we've just been like up a lot. And then obviously I'm up actually feeding him, so it's not like I just like am up for a little and then go back to bed. I'm up for quite a bit, and it's definitely weighing on me. Thankfully I have the most amazing husband, and he takes like the morning shift, so once he's up for 7 for good, that's when Matt like takes him and plays with him and does things with him, so I could sleep in. And then he usually brings him back to me around like 9ish, and or like 8:39, and then I feed him again, and usually he falls asleep in my arms in bed. So we do hang out in bed for a while after that, but that's just kind of the routine right now. I am just not a morning person. I can't just get out of bed at 7 a.m. and start my day. So thankfully Matt is there to help me then. My Francesca's, I'm gonna try this dress on, and I think it's pretty cute. I was kind of going for more like tan colors, but this may work. I did get that dress, and I'm still gonna run to Altered State, see if they have anything else that's fun, just in case. But it's 40% off and came out to 45 bucks. Not too mad about it, and I like it. It's cute, so we'll see. He just woke up from his little nap, so hopefully he behaves for a little bit longer for me. That's cute. I am done my shopping. Lane was awake that whole time, but he behaved so well. He actually did a poop in his car seat, and I had to change him in one of the dressing rooms, so might be a little gross, but just put my pad down on the bench and went for it. I didn't feel like finding a bathroom because there was not one in that store. So now he starts crying as soon as we get in the car. But I did find a dress. I got it from Francesca's, and I'm really praying that I like it. Like, I don't know. I think it's good. I think maybe I could do better, but I also don't want to spend like a crap ton of money. Lane. So it was $45. I think that's good. It was 40% off. And yeah, there's another dress I saw in Altered State that I really liked, but it was like $100, and I don't think it was that big of a difference to spend the extra money, so I just kept with the dress I got. I also ran into South Moon Under, and I love that store, but I think I'm just cheap. I can't get myself to spend that much money on clothes. I just cannot do it. So hopefully he falls asleep again here in a minute, or calms down at least. I'm gonna grab Chick-fil-A for lunch because I'm like right here, and I'm starving. It's noon and I haven't had anything yet today, and then I have to run to Old Navy. So that is my order of operation. I just want Lane to stop crying. I feel like I can't function properly when I have a screaming baby. Yeah. Good. How are you?
Good. Thank you for asking. All right, and your receipt and star in that bag.
Thank you. Have a good one. Got my Chick-fil-A. Got a crying baby. And now I think I'm gonna pull around and find a good parking spot kind of hidden. I'm gonna pull Lane up in this front seat, and then when I'm done eating, I will feed him, because I think I have a few more stores I want to hit, so hopefully he'll fall back asleep if he's like nice and fed. But I feel like he wouldn't if I don't feed him. Even though like technically he doesn't need to eat again right now. He's probably getting to the point where he's kind of hungry. I think it's been like only an hour since we left, so really like doesn't need to eat, but I feel like I feed a lot out of comfort. I don't know if that's a bad thing to do or like just an ease. Like I know I need him to sleep again, so I'm gonna feed him so like it makes him sleep. Does that make sense? So yeah, I think I'm gonna pull a seat right here though so he could see mama while I eat, and maybe I'll get some peace. Okay, don't judge me. I feel like this might not be the best thing to do, but it's gonna be like 5 minutes while I eat, and then I'm gonna pull you out and feed you because you need to eat again. Yeah. I know you're happy now. You just had to see your mom. Say, I just had to see my mom. And that's it. That's it, mamas. Okay, I always get my chicken sandwich, no pickles. I despise pickles. And a fry and a Diet Coke. So, I'm gonna eat my food, eat really fast, and I'm gonna feed my baby. And then we're gonna keep shopping because I have a few more things I need to grab. Gotta find you an outfit for our photo shoot now. But so far, we've been successful. Right, babe? Okay, I am feeding Lane right now. But something I love about Chick-fil-A is I feel like every single time I come, I get a survey thing to get a free chicken sandwich. So I just did that while I was sitting here. So now I'm gonna have to sit here for another like 10 minutes to feed him. And hi, he's such a happy baby. See, I'm such a happy baby. He's too cute. Right now his eyes are blue. And we just went to visit our friends in Blacksburg. They have 2 babies, and they said their baby's eyes were blue until like 6 months. So if Lane's eyes change that late, I'm gonna be really sad. I just love the blue eyes. I hope he keeps my eyes. That's the one thing he got from his mother. He'd better keep it. But no, I'm joking. I mean, if his eyes change, they change, and they'll be beautiful regardless. But I really would like the blue eyes to stay. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue doing this, and then I have to run to Old Navy, maybe run into Marshall's again, see if they have anything fun, maybe Target, like that kind of stuff. You good? Are you done already? You didn't eat much. Lane's kind of been doing this thing lately where he feeds and then like pulls off really aggressively and then like tries to find the boob again. And I don't know, like obviously I don't know why he's doing that. But I'm wondering if it has anything to do with like my milk supply not being good. Like a lot of milk coming out. Maybe he's like getting frustrated or whatever. Or if that's just what they do. Like this is obviously my first child. I don't really know. But I feel like he's always like pulling off. And then he like tries to find the boob again. Because he still wants milk. But like, I don't know. It's just like a weird thing. So I'm going to sit here, do this. And then continue on my little journey. It's already like 12:30. And praying he falls back asleep after he eats so I can continue my shopping in peace. I was gonna say when I got on here that everyone was fed and happy because when I put him in his seat he was not crying, but now he is. So we're moving and hopefully that calms down. There's just like 2 more. Whoa, they're going the wrong way on a one-way street. Holy moly. The hell? Alright, we did our Old Navy return. Super easy. Now we're walking around Marshall's. Seeing if there's any fun holiday stuff to pick up. It's Christmas time. I'm so excited. We're home. I just haka'd and got like, looks like about 1.5 ounces, 2 ounces. Let's see. Yeah, exactly 1.5 ounces. So I'm gonna put that in a bottle before we head out on our walk. But I also picked this up at the Marshall's. It was $5. And I'm gonna try to do Lane's hand instead of like a paw print. We've done these with Frank before. And I feel like I should be able to do it with Lane's hand if his hand fits in the little circle thing they give you. But maybe we could try this when we get home, Matt.
For what?
Definitely will fit in there. My hand almost fits in there. So we'll try this. And they give you a nice little like ribbon to go with that. Maybe I'll like paint in the handprint so you can like really see it, but.
This hat is a newborn.
I know. Try to put it on and let's see if it fits.
Why did you buy one for?
I also bought a new hat because it's either that or 24 months. It's like huge.
Probably fit.
It seemed like it was gonna fit. I finally just got laying down to sleep. His mobile is like right in the way of the camera, but he's asleep with one arm out. We are starting the transition out of the swaddle, at least at nap time. It's like so hard because he just doesn't nap if he's not swaddled. So thankfully he's napping right now. I'm gonna try to clean this kitchen up a little. It's a disaster again, shocker. And put all this stuff away, and then we're gonna make dinner. So obviously the roast is going in the crock pot, but I'm gonna make mashed potatoes with it because a roast with some homemade mashed potatoes sounds so good and like cozy and fall right now. So that's the plan. Hopefully he stays asleep for me for like at least a half hour so I can do the dishes, clean up, get a lot of stuff taken care of. And yeah, Matt.
Yeah.
Can you run this to the basement for me really quick, babe? That lasted a whole 5 minutes. Ugh. After 30 minutes of trying to put Lane back down, this is what we've come to. I'm gonna finish my chores while he sits in his bouncer watching me, but we just cannot sleep without the arm swaddled. So I'm really trying to transition while we're napping instead of nighttime, but it just doesn't work. So like, I don't know what to do. I feel like we're just gonna have to go cold turkey one night and pay the consequences of being awake like literally every hour. So I'm gonna finish my chores. Actually, maybe Matt will do the chores. I'm gonna start working on mashed potatoes. Yummy, homemade, perfect dinner for a cold night. Yum. Yummy dinner.
Pretty good.
Yeah. It's really good. Really hot. This meat's so tender. Ha.
Well, if I cook it on the grill, I'll be like.
Right, I just finished eating, and here are the leftovers that I'm gonna throw in the fridge. I have so many extra mashed potatoes, but you can always use mashed potatoes. So I'm gonna put these in the fridge.
falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool. I could use a little something to do. Go outside, take a little ride if you want to.
7 pumpkins.
That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm poking out my head through open windows. Cause that's what I feel like doing tonight. Waking up my brain, maybe you can do the same thing. Want me to say something? I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk.
Good morning, guys. I just noticed my camera battery is gonna be dying here soon, so probably won't be vlogging that long, but Matt and I started the morning with a little Panera date. I talked him into going with me just to spend some time together because he is back studying for his test, and I just wanted a little like morning, you know, fun thing to do. So we did that. It's a beautiful fall day. It's again like pretty cold, 55 degrees. So we're gonna wait till it warms up a little later to do our walk and stuff, and food truck night's tonight. So Lane's gonna be bundled up. I already have his tortilla blanket on him, a hat, the whole 9 yards. I'm gonna have like little mittens. I bought like winter mittens yesterday and they're so cute. But my brother got home from college for his fall break 2 days ago. My parents didn't tell me till like last night at midnight that he was home. So I'm gonna go see him if he's awake. I don't even know. It's like almost noon now and I'm sure he's not even gonna be awake. But I'm gonna go see if Uncle Ryan is home. Gotta work on a YouTube video. Gotta do a few things today. So just gonna go spend some time at my parents' house to waste some time today. But I wanted to update you guys on my maternity leave. A lot of you guys have been asking if I am just a stay-at-home mom now, and I am not, unfortunately. I so badly wish I was, but I will be returning to work in the new year. So luckily I had a very, very long maternity leave. New Jersey is really generous actually with their maternity leave because they give like FMLA and then they also give baby bonding time, which was an additional 12 weeks. So my maternity leave really should be up like the 26th of December. There's like a cop or something behind me. What is this? Oh my god, so much commotion. My leave should be up on the 26th of December, but I am just doing like non-paid time until the new year. So it'll be like 2 weeks of non-paid time, which I will take all the time I'm able to get, even if it's not paid, because I just would prefer the time with my baby. So headed to food truck night. It is the third to last food truck night of the year. I think they stop in December and then pick back up in like May or something. Cybertruck.
Ooh, that was a black one. That was cool.
He's really queuing a lot. But before we go to food truck night, there's this big wildfire. I think it's 30 acres, literally in the neighborhood. Well, it's technically our neighborhood. 30 acres?
Well, compared to other wildfires like
yeah,
in the area,
but it's like in a populated area. It's literally in a neighborhood that's right next to ours. Luckily, our house, there's a lake between our house and the fire. But
you see that house?
No, look on the way out.
Look freshly painted, but look blue, just like your mom's cabinet said she originally
yeah,
did.
that's bad. But this fire is right next to my aunt's house, like literally on her street. It doesn't seem like too close to her house, but definitely like right there. So we're going by. Apparently it picked back up today. Ooh,
Here, look.
there's a lot of smoke. Yeah, picked back up today. It was like out, technically out, but it's definitely smoky over here.
Ooh,
oh, the whole
spooky, like
it looks
Halloween.
spooky. Yeah, so smoky. So all the fires like in this brush here. Oh, there's people back there, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's so smoky.
Bad as it did the other day, actually.
Yeah. It smells. I don't see actual flames. The other day we saw flames, but it's even
Smells like a hot dog.
not bad, but definitely. It smells good, yeah.
Like
but I guess there was not much to see, so I'm gonna turn around and we're gonna head to food truck night and get my cheesesteak because I have been in such a cheesesteak kick lately, and it's all I really want. So
luckily you live in the right area.
I do live in the right area for some good cheesesteaks. They are all over the place and they're so yummy. I'm like craving them all the time.
Kevin was surprised at how close we were to Philly.
Was he?
When I was saying how all the kids wear their Eagles shirts everywhere. He's like, you live that close to Philly?
Got my cheesesteak, covered it up because it's a little chilly.
I think it'll be warm, but not like...
We just got home from food truck night. I hopped in the shower super quick, and now the Virginia Tech football game's on. So we're gonna chill and watch that. And we met a little baby named Lane tonight, which was really cute. I feel like Lane might have quite a few lanes in his school. I feel like it's a common name now, but we're gonna hang, watch a football game, and I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Just subscribe, stick around, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.